Here I am now with a new and tasty recipe, eggplant with mint. We have for this recipe, and eggplant Tunisia, fresh mint, garlic, salt, balsamic vinegar, former oil, virgin olive oil. We start with the seasoning of our eggplant. We have plenty of oil, extra virgin olive oil. Half a glass. We hit our garlic. Take a few leaves of mint. The finely cut. We use the half moon cut better. This mint scent. We now add the mint. Mix with a fork. Add a few drops of balsamic vinegar. Let rest. Now we prepare the eggplant. We use the eggplant Tunisia because it is sweeter than the others. The cut with sliced half a centimeter. Now we put on the grill the eggplant. When the plate is very hot, we put our eggplant slices. We remove our eggplants and put them in the pot. Now we proceed by dipping the slices of eggplant in oil. The oil has rested during the whole time of our grilling. We immerse the eggplant in oil and prepare this delicious dish. That smell. We put another. We continue to finish all the grilled eggplant. The last. And finally we add our fresh mint as decoration. Your dish is finished. Good appetite at all.